My final project, I decided to do something relatively simple, but rather effective for my everyday uses. It's a metronome, and how I came up with this idea of making a metronome is because in the past, whenever I'm stressed out from any kind of homework or all the classes, I just take a moment for myself to relax and play some music with my guitar. It's really casual. I'm not very good at guitar. But you know, it's a good way for me to unwind and relax and ease myself. And rhythm is very important for music. I feel like my rhythm could use a little bit of work, so why not make a metronome? So basically how it works is there is a potentiometer sensor here that gives an output from 0 to 1023 into the analog pin A0. And that reads off the Arduino. It takes that analog input value from 0 to 1023, and then I map it to a value from 40 to 208. And 40 to 208 is basically the beats per minute. That's the range I'm working with. So 40 beats per minute to 208 beats per minute. So I take that value, 40 to 208, and I basically put it into a delay value where I can calculate when this servo motor can flick its wooden stick onto this drum that I cut from an oatmeal package. So I use the servo library, and basically it's a very simple mechanism. It stays upright at a 90-degree angle, but then there is delay. There's a small delay where I tell it to go to 180. So 90 degrees to 180, and there's a small delay. So it never actually goes all the way to 180 because it'd be going through this little drum here. So it goes from 90 to 180, but with only a 60 microsecond delay. So in actuality, only like reaches just right here to hit this drum. This is the metronome in action. Turned on.